Hello WordPress peoples. In this video we are going to talk about a new plugin called Comments++, a different experience of commenting in WordPress. So at the moment there is only one feature which is free, which we call Gmail like auto-completion. So before jumping into how plugin works, let me show you the demonstration. So this is the Gmail, and if you ever notice when you type something in Gmail, so you will see this kind of auto suggestion for your sentence to complete. So if you feel that the auto suggestion is correct, so you press tab and it got added to your reply. So similar thing we tried to do in this plugin. So you can get the plugin for free, and there is only one feature at the moment. So let's see how does it work. So I have already downloaded this plugin by clicking on this button. So all you have to do is just provide your email ID and you will get the download link inside your plugin, inside your email. Now let me quickly spin up my WordPress site. So I'm gonna I'm gonna add a new WordPress site for me, and let's wait for the magic. Okay, site is created. Let's open that inside the browser, and I'm gonna log into WordPress admin. So username password is admin. Okay, now I will go to plugins and upload plugin, and this is what I downloaded. So let's quickly install the plugin, activate this. So once you activate, you will be asked to enable the feature, whether you want to have an feature update or not. So I'm gonna say allow. Okay, once you activate this, you will see this kind of setting you need to provide. So basically auto suggestions are coming from the AI. You select it over from here. At the moment we have provided Olama, OpenAI and Gemini. At the time only one AI will be enabled. So for this demonstration purpose, I'm gonna use the Gemini AI. So let's get the API key from Gemini AI. Okay, let's go. I have already created a lot of keys, so I'm gonna use one of the existing key, and then so there are no models right now. So if you don't see any model, just try to save this after adding the key and you will have a list of models. So I'm gonna say Gemini 2.5 Flash, and then you can pass the prompt as well as per your requirement. Otherwise default prompt is also there in the code, but for the demonstration purpose I'm gonna use this prompt. So basically I'm gonna instruct AI that just complete the sentence written by the users for WordPress comments. So for example, if you start typing how are, then it will give you the sentence suggestion, something like you doing. And I gave the couple of examples, and then I will hit the save. You can alter the prompt as per your requirement. Now it's time to check how does it work. So I'm gonna go to post and I will start typing hi, how, and then I will wait for some time and it will auto suggest this sentence are you. So if you are satisfied with this, just press tab key and the sentence will be added to this comment box. And then again, if you start typing, and then it will again auto suggest your sentence, and you can autocomplete your sentence. So this is the basic feature provided at the moment in this plugin. In the future, there will be more features around these comments, and you will get the updates if you subscribe. If you are subscribed to newsletter of my site, Busy Plugins. So yeah, just go to this site and you will be asked for at your email ID. If you are interested, then just subscribe to my newsletter. Yeah, so this is how the feature works with this plugin called Comments Plus Plus. I really like the name. Yeah, so Comments Plus Plus, just download the plugin for free. I'm gonna provide the link of this plugin in the description section so that you can get it for free. So yeah, this is how the feature works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below the comment section, and that's all. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.